Regardless of the model you choose, each one has its own capabilities. In this episode, we'll focus on something that applies to all of them: writing effective video prompts. Video prompting is different from image prompting. An image describes a single moment, while a video describes how a scene unfolds over time. That's why video prompts work best when they're written as a sequence, guiding the model from the first frame to the last. Let's see how this works in practice by building a prompt step by step. We'll begin with a simple example, a drone shot. First, we define the subject, who or what appears in the video. For example, a drone flying above a coastal road. Being clear about the subject helps keep it consistent throughout the clip. If you have certain details, for example, color, add that to the description as well. Next, we define on the environment by describing the location, atmosphere, and time of day. Cliffside road next to the ocean, waves crashing below, light mist in the air, daylight. After that, we describe the action or movement. This is a key part of video prompting. If movement isn't described, the model will invent it, or keep the scene too static. Describing the action makes it clear how the scene should evolve over time. The drone moves forward smoothly along the road and passes a car driving below, maintaining a steady speed as it overtakes it. Now we guide the camera. In video, camera movement and framing have a big impact on the result. Wide aerial shot, fast forward motion, gentle tilt down revealing the road and ocean. Here we're telling the model how the scene is filmed, not just what is happening. Next, we define the visual style and lighting: epic cinematic look, motion blur, teal color palette, daylight. This shapes the overall look and atmosphere of the video. Finally, we add constraints. These describe what we don't want to appear. For example, no jitter, no abrupt camera cuts, no sudden speed changes. These are just examples. You can add any restrictions that help keep the result controlled and consistent. In some models, you'll see this as a separate negative prompt box. In practice, it serves the same purpose. If the model includes a dedicated negative prompt box, you can place these restrictions there. If not, writing them directly in the prompt works just as well. We click Generate, and the result appears in our history. This example shows how writing the prompt as a sequence gives the model clear direction from the first frame to the last. When we open the generated video, we can also see exactly how it was created. On the right side, we'll find the full prompt that was used, along with the selected model, duration, aspect ratio, frame rate, and any references involved. If we click Recreate Video, the system takes us back to the video generator with all of that information already filled in. The prompt, the settings, and any references are restored exactly as they were. This is especially useful when you want to generate more variations, tweak the prompt, add references, or try the same idea with a different model. This structure isn't a rigid formula. Depending on what you're creating, you might focus more on action, camera movement, or visual style. For now, this gives you a solid foundation for writing video prompts more intentionally. In the next episode, we'll build on this and take things a step further. See you in the next one.